sponsors and in-laws for their support. This event is successful because of of different people who help us. But behind this, are the best wedding organizer behind the scene is my mother and Aunt Gigi. They did all the preparations for us because we cannot do it. I am abroad and he's thank you to all of you to come. Sino pa ba? Basta sa lahat po, maraming salamat po sa inyo po lahat na nandito. Salamat. And for Jay, actually I prepared it was 10 years ago, this day of San Niño, when I prayed to Infant Jesus for someone to love and someone who would love me back. And I think my prayer was answered because today I'm marrying the man I love. You were the first man that I have loved after my father and brothers. And this is my promise to you. The next man that I will love here on earth will be our son.
You know? Paano kung daughter? Boom! Boom!